Okay, so um, I have a list of car lists, right? And I want to know if it's selected, then it should be says that okay, now I only have XLT Mercedes. Now let's take a look at this, right? When I click on this, it's gone, right? When I uncheck this, it's here. When I check this, it's another here. How do you do about this? How do you do this, right? Let's take a look. So remove this, and then let's remove this as well, right? So first of all, I want to also remove this. So first, how can I get this? There's a shortcut, press alternate NCB. There you go, right? Alternate NCB. Next, we're going to write a Excel filter function. Filter this list because we're going to show this. Well, we're going to show this list, and here we want to filter we want to filter. I want to show this list, but it's based on the filter here, right? So this filter here, right, it has to be not true because it will only show those that's not true. Whenever it's selected it is true, then we don't want to show it. We want to show those that's not true. Now this one is not true, that's why, and this is true, that's why it's rejected. This one, see, as you can see that the more I choose, the less remaining card I have. Yeah, that's right. That's how we're going to do about this. Right? So once again, you can create a filter function like this, right? And also for this, you use alternate NCB, right? Both of this feature is available on 365. So yeah, thank you for watching.